One for 20 split. SGBX. SGBX. Good morning, Trevor. Good morning, Jay. Virus and Thrust. Good morning, E. Meanie, good morning. Good morning. The Doge, Jay. The Doge. Today seems really slow, doesn't it? Like, really slow. Almost like everybody's like, you know what? I'm exhausted from the FOMC stuff. Really, really, really slow. My goodness. I'm surprised ASNS came back right below $1. SGBX. Good morning, Rusty. Yeah, into the open. Yeah, it's very like the entire market just weak and slow. Yeah, SGBX has done a split. That float initially was very low, so that might be interesting. And my question is, why the hell why are you doing a split from $2.20? Like, what's the point of this? Why? Unless okay, never mind. That's the other stock. It's a different one. It's not the same. This one has an X. So it wasn't actually $2.20. It's a different price. Good morning, CM. Good morning. Verb. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, all of these names just seem to be pumping and dumping. Yeah, it was 11 cents. Yeah. 11 cents. I was thinking of something else. Yeah. Let's go. CVNA. You see CVNA virus? What's a rally? Remember when CVNA was a stock that was below $20 last year? Before all the craziness happened? You remember that? Oof. Like, look at this daily chart, okay? Like, look at this. I mean, obviously, all these scribbles on the chart is because we've talked about it, right? So all these little white lines, we were playing with this damn thing at $8, $7, $9. Look at that. And we broke out. We came for the retest. We double bottomed from $7. Actually, the very lows, 52-week lows is $6.92. All-time low, $3.50. Like, this wasn't that far ago, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, 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 and then we hit a triple top, and then a breakout. My goodness! And then this morning, woof, it's gapping up to all-time highs. Yep. Wow. Impressive, isn't it? Good morning, Justin. And they didn't even have to do a split to get there. Oof. CVNA. Yeah, this is the perfect case of like looking at a company that is getting destroyed, and they're still making money. So eventually, the fundamentals will catch up to the charts, right? So impressive, very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. Yeah, so if you're holding some CVNA calls, you're very happy because that damn thing is pumping into the open here. CVNA. Oof, nice. What else do we have on here? Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, no, if you're holding calls, you're going to be smiling into the open. Smiling into the open. Yeah. Anyways, let's see here. Anything else? ALLR still looks like it's trying to find a base above 240. Music is loud. So we shall see what happens there. ASNS. I'm surprised. I think Peloton is Peloton is also great this morning. I mean, Peloton has fallen a long way though. It's almost like CVNA and Peloton reversed. You go back 2 years, Peloton was $100. CVNA was $3.50. Right now, CVNA is 100 and something dollars. Peloton is $3.50. Well, anyways, sheesh. Peloton does like Peloton is one of those companies though that somebody will eventually buy them out. Eventually, eventually. Ayo Kimbella. ASNS is that's poor performance, very poor performance, Jason. Hopefully you didn't FOMO into this. This is the exact reason why I keep saying, sometimes when news comes out, if you're not sure what the news actually means, just sit on your hands and do nothing. Just sit on your hands and do absolutely nothing, because this thing's been below the 9 EMA and it's just dropping, right? From 80 cents all the way to $1.50 and right back down. So yeah, be careful with this initial like reaction to news, because it's all FOMO, right? And you're not sure when it's gonna fizzle out. So, but yeah, again for now, let's see if it stays above 80 cents. Jason, I'm not sure if you're in a position. You're not in. Okay, yeah, you just kind of watch it for now. Yeah, just kind of watch and see if it can consolidate, find a base. It looks like it's kind of sitting here for a little bit. You need that curl back to the upside, right? So, you know, anyways, here we go again, Kara. My goodness. Uh, tan, tan, la, 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 la. Is that the only stock you're holding, Mullen? Sheesh. Sheesh. What's the S? Oh my goodness, bye. Wow, look at that! Like we're basically back to the same level we were at before the data came out this morning. So a useless move. The S&P is doing too much of this lately, you know. So if we break below 500 today, yeah, you might as well get ready for a pretty silly May, right? Um, just be ready for all your investments to go to the abyss. Well, not to the abyss, but like have a silly slow month. If we break below 500, if we can find a way to get back above 510, then rally on. So we're obviously closer to 500 than we are to 510, but we'll see. Good morning, Joe. Weakness. And got in at $1.37 at 7 a.m. Scaling out. Well done. Perfect, Jason. Well done. Well done. This way, Monday should be more clear. Yeah, it usually is with the FOMC. Just confusion, non-stop confusion. So let's see. Let's see if we can even like keep these gains that we have with this morning virus. Tesla, what's Tesla doing? Tesla is also behaving like a. Yep. I mean, yeah. Tesla was at 180, 185 bipolar, and then straight to the abyss. Apple. Hold it down, no confusion. Hold it down. Only weakness. Apple does look a little bit better. I think that's because they have earnings coming up, though. They have earnings coming up. That's another thing that we, yeah. So Apple today, and then Coinbase. Okay, cool. What about next week? Do, 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 do. Yeah, so it almost seems like this is the big week. This is the last big one, isn't it? There's some obviously some other names, right? Like Palantir, Disney, Rivian, Lyft, Upstart, Uber, Arm, Affirm, Robinhood. There's some names that we are really familiar with, but nothing that's going to move the market. So today seems to be the last day because Apple, obviously, right? So Apple. Yeah, Palantir calls already. Okay, yeah, it's nice to look at those calls. I feel like like a few days before, because the closer you get to IV crush, even if but yep. So you have some big earnings coming up next week as well, but nothing that's going to control the market, right? So hopefully Apple doesn't flunk. It looks like ALLR is reclaiming the 90 EMA, which is good. Well, it did a few minutes ago, but yeah, so a little bit of consolidation and then cross back above. And what? And then we need something thrusting. Come on. Yeah, it's a pretty slow morning. But then again, yesterday was actually it wasn't. CTMX was on fire in pre-market. And what? And thrust. uh, Perfect. Okay, so EBS, CNTX, a whole bunch of names, but nothing that seems like it wants to break out. Uh, yeah, Aspin. Yeah, not horrible. Not horrible. ES is about to flush. Oh yeah, it's weakness. Unless we get to the open and you get that random pump, Joe, which is possible because we get that often. But yeah, it's weakness. Good morning, Richard. Weakness on weakness. Weakness. Apple looks okay though. Apple is holding up. The only thing that could keep the markets here is Apple wanting to do something before earnings. The new shorts won't let it. The new shorts might be stretched. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah. Well, Nvidia and Apple would decide today. Yeah, I think Apple will play a big part today. We might need to keep a close eye on. We might need to keep a close eye on Apple. Which is more important, the 90 EMA or the 200 question? How do you these if a stock is above the 9 but below the 200? I do know that the 200 is bad, but I don't know what the path. It depends, Kimbella. It depends. So think about it this way. How do I explain this? There's two different ways we can look at this. The 200 is really, really, really important for your bigger picture, like your overall picture. Okay, so like if I'm looking at the stock and I'm looking at the entire chart, whether I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame or the daily time frame, right? If I'm looking for a long-term investment, I would kind of like for it to be above the 200 because it tells me that it's trending up. Same thing for like a 1 minute or a 3 minute time frame, right? So if you're sitting above the 200, yes, you might be showing some weakness, but there's a chance that you go back up because it's still trending up. So the 200 is basically like your trend. It's like your trend indicator, right? It's reminding you that hey, we're still, yeah, we might be struggling, but we're still above this, right? And then your 90 EMA is like that immediate moment, like it's that immediate like momentum indicator. It's like hey, we're above this, we're trending up, like we're aggressively pushing, right? So less about the trend, but more about like momentum, right? When you're sitting above the 9, it's like okay, we go, right? So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense, right? So when I'm playing with a momentum name, right, and I'm holding something, right, I almost want to be above the 9, right? Because again, I know the volume is coming in. If you see what's happening here, for example, look at this name, ALLR, right? We're sitting below the 9 EMA, we're struggling. We're struggling. Good morning, Alan AO. But as soon as we closed above the 9 EMA, the blue line, you can see that momentum slowly shift, right? Like it's you can see a little bit of buying pressure coming. Good morning, Troy. Right? Where's the 200 on this? The 200 is all the way down there. right? So the 200 again, that's your bigger picture indicator. Uh, Act as support and exactly, Joe, exactly. So yeah, so again, a lot of this will depend on like what you're actually doing with your position, though, right? Keep that in mind. Like, what are you doing? Is it a longer term play, or are you just scalping quick? Right. So like, is it just a quick momentum play, or is it a bigger play? Is something you have to think about as well. Yeah. Okay. Good. 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 What's Apple doing? Come on, Apple. Send it. Send it. Damn, the markets look weak. Even though we're green this morning, we look weak. Alan, you've have you gone through Discord a little bit? Any questions? Any questions at all? So we're consolidating on this one. We're dipping on this one, and we're dipping on this one. Let me look at Nui. So Nui had news this morning, and it looks okay. It's a micro penny stock, 15 cents. Not the. I mean, you can kind of tell though that it's slow when we're having to look at penny stocks that are up 16%, right? So it's a fairly slow morning, and that's okay. I hope as soon as the market opens, we can get some chaos. Some chaos. Yeah, probably Joe. So yeah, yesterday was fun with CTMX. A lot of fun. So hopefully something else shows up today. Shows up today. What are we doing here? Trying? Below the 50. Okay. Joe wants violence. 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 Yeah, we're sitting below all these moving averages, so that looks very dangerous. Again, the only unknown though, Joe, is the market opens in 10 minutes. You know, that's the only unknown. Looking at on the hourly. Okay, yeah. And no, if the market was open already and we were sitting like this, confirm flush. Yeah. For yeah, exactly. Like if we were sitting like this and the market was opened already, yeesh, that thing would go to the abyss. But there's always scamming at the open. Even if we drop, still there's still going to be scams to the upside. But we shall. I did it. Okay, sounds good, Alan. Sounds good. Yeah, let us know if you have any questions at all, and yeah, make sure you look at all the channels and see something doesn't make sense. Okay, let's see here. Come on, open the markets. Open the markets, guys. Open the markets. Okay. I'm just looking at all these silly names. 19% now for Nui, it seems. 19%. There's also a video in Discord, Kimbella, that we. There's a video in Discord it's in the Discord recaps channel. We explained the like the EMAs already, so I think it was titled. You just have to go into that channel and scroll up, and it should tell you. Uh, yeah. Mm, yeah, somewhere in there. It's called EMAs or something like that. Yeah, it's called like how to play breakouts and how EMAs work. So from September 16. Um, Good morning, Olu. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Set those lines, Joe. Set those lines before the violence comes. Good morning, Virgo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Na 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 na. Below the. Okay. Yeah. Absolutely. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. And so ALLR pushed and then failed at the VWAP. So we're going to need to break above. So what I would like to see now for ALLR is just give us higher lows. So now that we've hit this bottom into the open, $2.40, stay above that and break above 275, push for $3. So we can break above $2.75. Ooh, send it. So break and hold. I want to see a higher low though, right? So we're not allowed to go below 240 again. Otherwise, I'm going to fight virus. So stay above 240, good. Break above 275, better. And send it to $3. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Nui has a bit of a double top at 1585. Alrighty, SGBX looks like it's trying to curl, which isn't horrible. So this is going to be another one that we pay attention to. Plus, they've done a split, right? So that float should be nice and low. Let's see if momentum kicks in. Alrighty, and yeah, I'm sure other things will show up as the day goes on, and we will pay attention. Let's go. Let's go. We actually kind of want to see you fight virus. Let's go, Josh. Come on. How's the baby? How's the baby, Josh? How's the baby? I'd like to speak to you in person about the Diddy joke. Let's go. SGBX is she's perfection. Let's go, Josh. Beautiful. Well, hi there, Dan. Hello, hello, hello. Um, yeah, so we're pushing back to $3 for SGBX. But yeah, let's see what happens. There we go. There we go. There we go. ALLR. See, someone doesn't want to see me fight virus. Somebody doesn't want to see it. Look at this virus. Somebody doesn't want to see it because we just broke above 275. Now let's keep pushing. So all I want to see is higher lows, no 240s. Here's the first 50 test. Yeah, see, there you go, Joe. Right, that's the only missing piece, right? That's being so close to the open. Is you never know. We could just get that scammy pop. 1 minute? Oh, come on. No faith? No faith in me fighting. To be fair, though, I don't have faith in me fighting virus either. So there's no faith. There's no faith. Nobody has faith. I don't have faith. Let's go. Anyways. um, but yeah, so if we can stay above 275 now for ALLR and push to $3, that would be perfect. That would be absolutely perfect. No, 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 no. Okay, sounds good. So ALLR, SGBX, maybe a little bit of that's a double top still. So these two names kind of stand out for now, don't they? Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. La 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 la. You would fight virus and you would win. Well, that's different. That's because. Anyways, virus made this comment yesterday. Michelle, there's a reason why you would win. Anyways. Well, yeah, no, I don't trust my fighting skills either, Dan. I would run. You know, that's why I like running, so I can run. uh, I would run fast. Uh, a glass of water with the quickness. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Come on, virus. Let's go. Mm, here we go. So we're sitting at 290 now. So we're looking really good on ALLR. It's doing exactly what we want to see, right? Your next resistance is $3 for this thing, right? Sonic the Hedgehog or Josh? Sprints, 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 like the wind. They wave Ukraine's flag again, giving la, 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 la. Was there really a new bill, a new $80 billion? Really? What? There was a new one, a new eight bill. I missed that one. Crazy. Uh, exactly, Dan. Exactly. A man that goes to the UFC every weekend, that goes to watch fights every weekend. Anyways, yep. Yes, there we go. 94, 97. Oof, that looks good. So $3 resistance, by the way, already, and then it's 310. But this is looking good. ALLR looking very good. Looking very good. So again, yeah, just keep it. Just watch that $3 resistance. If you're holding ALLR, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding this. See, these guys really didn't want me to fight virus. They're like, nope, we don't want to see you fight virus. Pump the stock. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Send it, send it. Here we go, 97. So break above $3, and then we need to see that pivot break. Alrighty, so break that pivot, and then just all the way to 330. 330 is the level. That's the boomski level. Alrighty. Keep in mind though, the market's open in 3 minutes. And we're pushing into the open. So you never know. It's 50-50, right? We could easily break above $3 and send it immediately, or we could turn around and flush at the open. So it's one thing to look at levels in pre-market and everything looks nice. But then as soon as the market opens, you have some people wanting to sell because the stock is up 120%, right? Real short stories. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Have a blessed day as well. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Apple with a nice pop. The S&P also kind of curling up the bottom. These moving averages for me in pre-market, they mean less. When the market's open, they mean a lot. Pre-market, like that level just like it reverses like it's nothing. You know what I mean? So, and that's good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so it looks like we're stalling a little bit here at $3. So just be mindful. Alrighty, we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Actually, 1 minute. 55 seconds. Let's go. Kind of day. Yeah, Veronica. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. 45 seconds. You want to see it flush? Oh, come on, guys. Can we squeeze? There we go. ALR is breaking $3. Here we go. That was a really nice curl, right? So you can kind of see what we're talking about when it comes to the 9 EMA Kimbella, right? So like that curl back above, that signaled something, right? In terms of like, like really, like momentum stocks, tight range, curling back up above the 9 is really important. That changes things, right? So, and also when you're dipping like this, all you're looking for, even if we go below the 9 EMA, all you're looking for is higher lows. That's it, right? As long as you're getting those higher lows, you're good to go. There goes 303 now. 121%, and the market is open. Ding, ding, ding. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, ooh, there we go. Come on. The trading view is still glitching with those with the actual price because yeah, there we go. 311. 311, 314, 315. Let's go. 318, 320. Again, be careful because we're approaching a supply zone now, and but this chart has been perfection, right? Consolidate, no fight virus at 240, and push, 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 push. That's what we need to say every morning. If this stock goes below this price, I'm gonna fight virus, and then someone's gonna say, "No thanks, pump it." See, that's all we need to say in the morning. Sheesh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Anyways, we're failing at the supply zone, so this shouldn't be a massive shock to anybody that we're hitting a red zone, a previous resistance area, and we're backing off at the open. Look at that drop. Oof, that's a pretty big drop, and that is resistance. That's the open, right? You should expect this anyways. So there you go. already. If we can stay above these moving averages now though and consolidate, that would be okay too. To me, this is just a retest of that 275 we talked about, right? We needed to break 275. We break above it, we have to come back at some point. Right? We don't just break 275 and go to the moon. We have to come back and retest the breakout. So it looks like it's done that. If we can stay above that level and reclaim $3, that would be perfect. The S&P is dropping, right? So, oh my good, look at that candle at the open. And now look at it drop. This is why the open, honestly, again, if you're not sure, just sit on your hands and do nothing. Because these are crazy candles. Yeah, the 200 retest. There it goes. Apple got slapped at the double top 2 virus. Let's see. Again. Let's see. Joe's smiling. Yeah, let's see what happens with these first two candles here. Because again, I don't think we have a trend yet. Nothing at all. Right? This is just crazy volatility. Just as much as we don't like, that fat green candle at the open is you don't put too much same thing with the big red candles at the open, unless we break below. Like we're not really breaking below that bottom yet. So let's see where these candles close. Now you can refill your coffee, Justin. Just like Joe had to take a shower yesterday, but couldn't leave. Right there goes ALLR, guys. We're back to the top. Right. So again, beautiful retest. Right, and then right back above $3. That's looking good. So we need to clear $3.20. Right, 320, and then it's 330. And if we can break above those two levels, and then you know what? Just send it. Just send it. Ready? No, exactly, Joe, exactly. 5 line in the sand for the at the bottom. Okay. Agreed. Yeah, it looks like we're bouncing a little bit, but again, like none of this really means anything for now until we break above the top or we break below the bottoms. One of the two. One of the two. What are we doing here? Selling off. So ALLR is there we go. 325. Send it. 330. Send it. 337. Send it. 340. Send it. 345. Send it. We're dipping. Anyway, so that thing said, yeah, screw that. Yeah. So technically what's happened is another typical scam door, right? So we kind of explained this yesterday that when you have resistance, but you have that candle go all the way above, if it doesn't close above, then it's not a breakout. Not yet. Right? Not quite a breakout yet. So that's another scam. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So we're not really closing above that double top. So until we can find a way to close above that level, still resistance. Yeah. Yeah, when it's pushing like that, Will, you have to move your stop loss up. Like so, when a stock is close to resistance, you have to move that stop loss up. Alrighty. Exactly. You either wait for confirmation of a breakout. You always wait for confirmation of a breakout. Always. Right. If you're buying something because it's breaking above resistance and that candle clearly hasn't closed yet, you're taking a risk. Sometimes you will win, but honestly, for me, every time it's a fat green candle, you will never win. So for now, let's see what happens. Let me pull up a can. Yes, I can. La, la. Cannabis. Cannabis. Are we coming back to life? 11 cents? Okay. What's CGC doing? CGC is green. Green. 7%. That's a nice push. Yeah. These names had to come back at some point. So again, pretty sure CGC is leading the way again, isn't it? The S&P is getting NSAT. Oof, that thing is getting flushed. If we go from green to red, that would be a disaster. A complete disaster. A disaster. Apple actually looks really good. Apple is just sitting there like, hey, go do what you have to do, and then if you want to come back, come back. Apple is not crashing with the S&P. Okay, let's go back to ALR here. I want to see how long we stay above the 24. And then Meta, yeah. Not a disaster for my puts. No, TK, it's not. It's not. It's not if you're short. Not a disaster. Okay, there we go. Come on, something give us boom skis. More boom skis here. Nah, nah, nah. I just want to see this consolidate above $3 and then start curling back up, and then we should be good to go for a proper rally this time. Not one of those scammy rallies. Scammy rallies. Okay, let me look at the scanner again here. La 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 la. Mm, yeah, SGBX does look okay though, right? So what's interesting is it's the exact same levels as ALLR. It just seems like yeah. So 320s is resistance as well on this one. Yep, $3.20. ALR is getting slapped straight to the abyss. Slab. So watch for that 240 level again, right? So hopefully that becomes a double bottom. If not, then it's a problem. But yeah, watch for 240, 240 to 250. If we can get a double bottom there and stay above the 200, then that's fine. If not, dead. Uh, let me show you, Dennis. Let me show you. You took the profits on the shorts. Well done, Joe. Well done. Oof. Well done. Monies. 7 shorts. 29. Monies. Monies. That's a good exit too, because we're bouncing a little bit there. Na, 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 na. Yeah, it's bouncing a little bit. Telling you, Joe's a criminal, Justin. A criminal. Na, 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 na. Okay, let's see. GCI. Okay, let me take a look. GCI. Nah, nah, nah. So they reported, they had news 3 hours ago, but for some reason they're only moving now. Interesting. The volume isn't amazing. It's not amazing, but it's pushing though. The volume is not amazing. Interesting. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it if the volume does come in. Good morning, Bernard. On my connected to the floor to the wall charger. You're actually at home, Joe. Wow. From the freezer. Can you tell Joe's living the addicted life? He is. He is. Well, the dedication life. He's sitting on the floor, making $3,000. Okay, monies. Okay, CGC looks good still. Highs of the day here. What's ACB doing? ACB should be pushing as well. Not as much. Like ACB is up 5%. CGC is up 10%. What's Tilray doing here? Tilray is up 8% actually. Wow, impressive, Tilray. Very impressive. Nice. Dedication. Yep. So the cannabis names are coming back to life today. I know. I know. Yep. Back to life. Do, 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 do. When you're watching the charts on Saturday night and wondering why it's moving so slow, that is true, Dan. That's true. Joe's done that. Well, everybody's done that actually, especially on holidays. On holidays when it's a Monday and you're like, oh, or like Sunday night, you're like, okay, come on, futures, open, 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 open. Nothing's opening. Like, wait, what? What's happening? That's addiction. Anyways, almost back to $13 here for CGC. So $13 resistance. ALLR is slowly giving us another higher low, it seems. I still would like for that thing to get back above $3 though. I don't just reclaim the 9, the 20, and the chrono, and then go from there. The S&P is looking very sus, very sus. Yeah, yeah. That thing looks like it's about to break down again, doesn't it? Hopefully not, but we shall see. Good morning, Crystal. Ayo. Here goes CGC, $13. Dang. 13% at $13. Terry, 8%. Not bad. Not bad. MNDR is pushing for 24 again. That thing was at $9 yesterday. It's almost at 24 already. Damn, impressive. Very impressive. What's Tesla at? Dipping this morning? Yeah, Tesla looks sus this morning. Sus. Even though it's still green for the day. Let me pull up MNDR. MNDR. Yeah, it's halted up. Yeah, that thing quickly popped, Michelle, and then came right back down. Look at that. $3.10 and right to the abyss. These guys are scamming too much. Scam on these candles. Look at that. How did we just go from 310, 313, all the way back down to 367? 267, sorry. Crazy. Yeah. No, I don't honestly, Kimbella. I don't think like it's yeah. I don't really think yeah, that's not anything you could have predicted, honestly. But yep. La. Yeah, it's too early. Oh yeah, it's way early. SGBX. That was actually quite a nice breakout for this one here. Nice breakout. Yeah, CGC failed at $13 for now, which is not a massive surprise. So break $13 if it does and it holds, and then you're looking for $15. $15. True. Yeah, what I don't like about ALLR now is just how random the candles are, and just all over the place. Up, down, up, down. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Yes. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Yeah, out for now. Yeah. All over. Nice little call out. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. Monies. Yeah, no, that was a good exit. Otherwise, he'd be holding a bag now. Holding a bag. By the way, this is just a retest for SGBX, right? So, Justin, you might have missed this one. The breakout and the retest of $3. So, which is one of your favorite plays? That would have been perfect, actually. Good morning, Lauren. Perfect. Break, retest, and send it. Good morning. I sometimes don't like when there's like little scalpies all over the place, like when there's a clear theme and a clear stonk. Virus, yeah. So next week we have next week. La. Yeah, there you go. So that's just the calendar, but then the days already. So Yeah, Palantir, which you have already early in the week, and then Disney, Rivian, Upstart, all the other rubbish, and then Wednesday, Arm, Uber, Affirm, a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of stuff. I think next week is basically the last week of like amazing earnings. Actually, no, I lied. Nvidia's on the 22nd to the 22nd. Nvidia's on the 22nd, and that's gonna move the markets. That's gonna move the markets. That might be the last one. Yep. That might be the last one. You in one long, Joe? Send it. My goodness, look at that. Look at MNDR. Wow. 26 and halted immediately, Lion. My goodness. Sheesh. That's impressive. That's impressive. From $9 all the way back to 26. Wow. Good exit, by the way, Michelle, for now. You did, Lion? Did you sell it, or you're in there halted? Did you take gains? Na, 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 na. I see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. With a stock like this, though, I don't think you can. It's fine. Yeah, you should stay in there in the halts. Yeah, you never know. Yeah, never know. That thing could easily open at 25 and then immediately first flush back to 24, or it could open at 27 and $30. But yeah, stuff like this is unpredictable. SGBX, yeah, that retest would have been yeah. Let's see if we stay above $3. Yeah, I like that initial retest. When you start testing it the second time, it's a little bit suspicious. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. La 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 la. Which okay. I'm just looking at the scanners here, see if anything stands out to me. And it's all the same names. All the same names. Yeah, so with ALLR, let's see if we can double bottom around $2.40. Alrighty, let's see if we can double bottom around that range. The SGBX, yeah, that thing just broke down there. And it's looking a little bit weak. A little bit on the weak side. No. EBS looks nice, it seems. EBS. And GCI is just chilling at the top. Again, the volume is not the best, but not the best. EBS. Not bad. 71. 71. Okay, there we go. Perfect. You're loading up Doge. 12 cents range. Yeah, okay. Yeah. The 50, yeah, it has to. The last two times we've bounced, we've actually bounced off the 50. So that's a pretty good level, Justin. Right. So the 50 bounce on the left hand side, the 50 bounce right there, and then another 50 bounce. You're just gonna need to reclaim all those moving averages on the way back up, which it looks like it's really popping off that level. So you're back in the monies now. Back in the monies. The spread is the only annoying thing, but that's a pretty solid bounce. Pretty solid bounce. When Doge loves stream, when Doge decides to give us a squeeze, a squeeze. 325. Yeah, out of it. Okay, nice. Well done. That's a pretty nice 50 bounce actually. And so again, if you're wondering, oof, look at that thing go. If you're wondering why we use these moving averages, guys, it's not that they're, one is special above the other. Sometimes all you do with these moving averages is you just look back and say, you know what, like I'm looking for support on this stock, right? So like, is that a 50 bounce? Oh, okay. Why is it bouncing off the 50 one time right there? Right? Why is it bouncing off the 50? I don't know. I don't care, right? Why is it bouncing off the 50 again? I don't know. I don't care. But, and it's done it again, right? So sometimes with these moving averages, it's that simple. You just have to look and it's very specific to that stock and for that specific day on that specific time frame. But and sometimes that's all technical analysis is, right? Like just looking at what it's doing and see if it can do it again, right? And there you go. There it goes. Lion, look at that. That thing opened lower and then flush to 22. Sheesh. Good thing you sold that position, Lion, right? Because now you'd be packing your bags and getting ready for someone to visit. It's not Santa. No, 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 no. Not Santa. You know? Yep. We still just kind of consolidating here now. Yeah. Just consolidating. It is not Santa. Yeah, CGC just went from green, 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 green to red, 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 red. That thing went from 10% to zero. From 10% to zero. My goodness. These cannabis names have become really volatile, actually. Like, really volatile. Hey, yo, Pizza, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How are you? The 50, look for, exactly, Justin, yeah. Pizza. La, 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 la. I wonder if we consolidate here, actually. Testing the 200s. And the SGBX is still fighting to break and hold $3.30. If stock is heading up and we see a drastic increase in volume, is that a good sign? Just notice EBS volume doubled. Yes, it's a good sign, right? But again, so yeah, it's a good sign. You also have Nicholas. You also have to think of like where the stock is sitting at, because again, like yes, the volume is so average volume is 2 million, right? The stock is yeah, exactly, Pizza. Right, the volume for today is 23 million. So yes, that's really important, but that's not the only thing you have to pay attention to, right? So what I'm trying to get to is, don't just buy a stock because the volume is amazing, right? If the stock is up 70% already, uh, then that's why the volume came in. You know what I mean? But yes, volume is really good, momentum, and all the other stuff. But yeah, most of the stocks we look at here in the morning, they're momentum names with a lot of volume, either because of catalyst or just because volume came in. Right. So if a stock is pushing up with more volume, you can trust it moves a little bit more. Right. If a stock is going up with low volume, you know it's going to crash easily at some point. So yeah. And you know how people always say like volume precedes price, or like yeah. So that makes a huge difference too. What are we doing here? Choo, 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 choo. A whole bunch of these stocks just look sus this morning. Sus, 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 sus. Yeah, CGC is like 20 cents away from the lows of the day. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, perfect. As a volume if you think about it, like volume is the most important thing, right? So whether you're buying a stock because of a catalyst, you're buying a stock because it's the bottom line is you're looking for volume. right? You can have a stock that has news, the best news in the market. We're gonna cure cancer, and yes, that's amazing news. That means nothing if the volume doesn't come through, though, right? Because then you like, there's no way you make money from the company curing cancer. The only way you make money is from volume coming in, right? So volume is very, very important. Very, very, very important. So yeah, let me take a look. APVO. What's your position, Alan? Let me know. Let me know what's your position. It does look good. It looks really good, actually. But what's your position? Your next resistance, as you can see from pre-market, is we just kept stalling in this range right there, right? So $1.40. So you're basically 10 cents away from it. If you're in it, that looks amazing. If you're not in it, you're way too close to resistance at this point, right? So risk reward, I don't know if it's worth it. Like if the stock is sitting at $1.35, your reward is potentially 5 cents before we hit this resistance again. Not saying it's not going to break, but it's different if you're in the stock already. So yeah, Alan, let me know. If you're in it, you're fine. You just move your stop loss higher. Alrighty. But yes, let us know. SGBX is yeah, it's fighting there, fighting, Justin, fighting, 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 fighting. Lows of the day. Lows of the day. You're considering getting in. Okay, okay. Yeah, just be mindful though that you are really close to resistance. I would, if I was looking for a position in this play, honestly, again, I would wait for that thing to clear that resistance and then retest, or just simply break above it and consolidate, right? So you can see what's happening now. Look at that, right? So if you bought that thing really close to that resistance and then you get this fat red candle, now you're like, oh my god, what do I do? Right? So maybe maybe if we can retest close to like $1.20 again with a tight stop loss, Alan, right? If we're double bottoming off 420 off 425 of the 200, then that level might be safer for you than it is like to get in close to like $1.40, right? So again, you're better off looking for the bottom with a tight stop loss or waiting for that thing to clear resistance, and then you make your decision. SGBX looks good though. It also seems like it's trying to break about 350, but not quite doing it. Not quite doing it. La, la. Survivors of this morning, yeah. SGBX is popping now. Oof, look at that. 360, 365. The volatility is crazy, but it is pushing the 70. Oh my goodness, SGBX. Damn. That thing said, excuse me, I'm the captain now. Okay, perfect. In the money, la, 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 la. Seeing on same day, workarounds. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. That was a really beautiful retest, wasn't it? Even though we broke below, like to retest, that 50 was nice. That 50 was really nice. So good catch there, Justin. Right. So 50 once, 50 twice, 53 times. When I say 50, I'm just referring to that orange line. So again, that's all technical analysis is, right? So most times. So again, like that's a really nice bottom. That's a really nice bottom. That's another really nice bottom of the same line, right? You can ask yourself why that line is important. Nobody cares. Nobody cares as long as it's holding up that line, right? And there goes new highs. Should I set a stop loss or just be watching close? You should set a stop loss and just move it up. Right? Pick a number. Happy at. Always set it. Yeah. Buy as a yeah. Isn't it hurting you? Yeah. Exactly, Pizza. Highs of the day. SGBX. What a nice run. What's a really, really nice run. So congratulations if you're holding that. If you're holding SGBX, type in yes in the chat. Uh, let's go. Let's see. Yeah, there it goes. That thing is like, nope. I send it now. I send it. So $3.90. That's a really nice run. Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Set a stop loss if you need to. If you love me, type in yes. Since $1.14, let's go, Peter. Let's go. Uh, no. Yep. Let's see. You in at 315. Yeah, and then what did you sell at? Um, what did you sell at? But everyone is delayed. You have one. You have AMD puts 137 AMD puts. Oh my goodness, Michelle is gonna kill you. La, 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 la. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. I would appreciate that. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and then go from there. You notice how we keep failing at the same range there, Alan? You notice how we keep failing at the same range for APVO, right? So this is why sometimes, honestly, like even though you like the stock, you're better off like waiting for that thing to break out on its own. If not, then you have a problem, right? If not, you have a problem. So let's see. Anyways, back to SGBX. So it looks like we hit 390 again. Take your profits on the way up, or at the very least, set a stop loss because you know we're going to retest one of these moving averages. All right. Yeah. The market is dying. Yeah. Yeah. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Yeah. No. La, 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 la. Do we hit 190? 498, Adam? It looks like it. Looks like we're gonna end the week in the abyss. The week in the abyss. La, la, la. In the abyss. There we go. We're bouncing off the 9 EMA for now on SGBX. Bouncing off Z9. Let me see here. What are we at? La, 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 la. I want to go all in AMD for a year. Yeah. I mean, you will most likely come back to money. Don't know if that's yeah. I mean, unless something crazy happens, which you never know, right? You really never know. But yeah, you never know. You never know. Na, na, na. Why AMD over NVIDIA? I think just because AMD is cheaper, Freebo. I think just because the AMD is cheaper. Yeah. What I really hope happens, yeah, there you go, Alan, right? So now we're failing. So, yeah. Again, I think we talked about $1.25, but that's looking very suspicious, right? So close to $1.20, not too bad, but that's looking sus. Yeah, what I was gonna say is, yeah, I mean maybe ARM is the one to go with, right? But what Nvidia needs to announce is a split. Those guys need to announce a split. That's gonna save the market if they do. Nothing else. Nothing else. I think people are gonna have pretty damn high expectations. Nvidia. I don't know if they can meet those expectations, but they need to have like they need to announce something, not just earnings. We saw what happened to Meta, right? Meta and AMD and all these other companies, right? Yeah, beating is not good enough. Beating is not good enough for Nvidia. I'm not messing with ARM until Nvidia earnings. Maybe after, maybe before, like a day before, maybe. We'll see, depending on what the market looks like. Can go back to 200 sometime this year. Yeah, most likely. Most likely. Yeah, so still dipping. This is why I hate when stocks go below the lows of the day. Is you know exactly what's coming. Yeah, that thing went to yep, $2.20, straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Was there a low in pre-market? Nah. See, that's the problem too. Is like it's all the way down there, and now that it's below the 200, red flags. SGBX is still looking good, holding above the nine, even though it's sitting right at resistance there. So $3.85 a problem. La, 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 la. Steve, Jack X. Yeah, Jack X really doesn't follow the market though, does it? Really doesn't. Nah, nah, nah. Kara Kareem, you need to use a translator or something like that. You need to get a good translator and trans and copy the I don't know. Yeah, who's my best friend? Who? Who did you time out? I don't know. I can't see it. I don't see when I don't see that stuff. I only see like the stream stuff and your comments. Unless I'm checking on YouTube, like unless I'm looking at the other screen, which yeah, I see it now. I see it now, but I don't really pay attention to that screen. Yeah. Mm, yeah, maybe if we consolidate it, we can go back up and retest. But go back up and retest. That's a lot of weakness, though, isn't it? Lots of weakness. What else do we have on the list here? Huh? What the hell? 805. Okay, let me take a look. La, 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 la. Good morning, Lynn. There's a bit of a double top on this one here. Let me take a look. 2 hours ago. Okay. XBP with a bit of a double top. $2.30. $2.30. Yeah, the entire market is struggling this morning. Everything is red, 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 red. Sheesh. Yeah. See again, like the trend always continues, right? Like we had that one rally for because of Powell, but then we resumed the sell-off. Always, always, always happens like that. As soon as he's done speaking, the market says, "Okay, thank you, goodbye, thanks for coming." Okay, what were we doing before you came on? Oh, we were crashing. Okay, let's resume the crash. Crash, crash, crash. Crash, crash, crash. Uh, okay, let me send that. La, la, la. I see. Okay. Seven. Mm, two, two. Let's see. La, 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 la. Okay. Low of the day, you did? Okay. Yeah, the entire market struggling. Okay. You're out of it? Okay. Yeah, that thing hit that resistance and broke below the 9 and just straight to the abyss. Right? Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Yeah, your next support will be closer to like 280 and then the 200 EMA. Let's see if this one can stay above the 20 here. XBP. I think needs a bit more volume. A little bit more volume and a green candle is what it needs. A little bit more volume. They're 10 cents now? Really? Oh my goodness. That's why you have to get rid of these things like really quickly. Otherwise, they go to zero. So CYCC yesterday, thanks to Discord, I got in on Monday, 245, sold it, made money for a nice dinner out. Hubby, thank you. Let's go, Lane. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done, well done, skis. Well done. Love it. Yeah, XBP looks good. I posted an entry in Discord already, even though it's still looking a little bit suspicious. I kind of like what it's trying to do. La, la. La, 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 la. Yeah, I want to see that thing bounce off the 20. Of the 20. You took your monies? Yeah. Yeah, these little scammy things, you have to take your monies and run. Took the monies and ran. Come on. Let's see. Yeah, we need a pop here. We just keep going up and down on this stupid thing. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We need a candle to close above the range. Up, down, up, down, up, down. That candle's looking a little bit sus, isn't it? So yeah, let's see if we can get in that range then, and then stay above it. Alrighty. In the range and then stay above. ALLR has been destroyed. Yeah, so this is why when you have one warning sign, guys, when we break below the lows of the day, below the 9, below the 200, shake your head. Shake your head. Say, That's right. Okay. That. Come on, give us a sended candle. Oh, I see. Give us the sended candle. There we go. Come on, give me the sended candle. Oof. Here we go, 220, guys. Here we go. There's the resistance. There's your resistance, by the way. So, there's your, we hit resistance exactly. So, come on, give us a breakout. Give us the breakout. And what? And thrust. By the way, again, this signal was sent out in Discord. So if you're not a Legend member, you're missing out. We're going to start cooking with these signals again. So this was the signal, right? Hey, guys, that's your entry, right? With your stop loss. And that's your next resistance. So if you're not a Legend member, you're missing out. Alrighty, so, and yeah. So anywhere close to $1.90 would have been nice, right? For XBP. So again, for the Legend members and the GOATs. Legends and GOATs. Let's cook. So we need to break about 220 and stay about 220 though, and then send it. Let me edit the that channel actually. Does that say 2? Oh yeah, it does. Here we go. Come on. Do you think CVNA will give up all those gains? I doubt it. But it does seem quite high though, doesn't it? Tough. Are you in a position? I mean, look at APVO Allen. Oof. Allen, good thing you stayed away from it. Well done. Because now you'd be like, please, can we just go back up to break even, pretty please. Right? So when you're really close to resistance like this, honestly, you're better off waiting. Like that 5 cents is not worth your stress. You're better off waiting for it to go up another 5 cents. So then you buy 5 cents higher. But it's not the same because you actually just bought above resistance. Right? So you missed the run. Tough. Yeah. Let's go back to XBP here. Come on, give us another breakout. Give us the breakout. Okay, perfect. Give us the breakouts. There we go. 24. Come on, send it, send it, send it, send it. Na 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 na. Two. Perfect. Come on, give me a breakout here. Give me a breakout. Give me a break. Give me a break. Can I get some rockets in the chat for a breakout? Come on, spam the rockets in the chat, guys. I want to see a breakout. Give me a breakout. Sheesh, that thing is having a hard time at that level. Yeah, 22. Break me off a piece. Come on, break out already. There we go, 24. Come on, give me 25. My goodness, what's wrong with 25? What's the high of the day? 20, get 35. Come on, send it. There we go. Rockets, rockets, rockets. Yeah, that thing has a lot of resistance there. So again, like I said in Discord, the entry was lower. Now we need to actually close a candle above that level before it can send it. It's not actually closing above yet, obviously, right? So you can kind of see how we're just stalling in that same resistance range. Usually not the safest entry, right? So when you're sitting at resistance, it's not the entry, right? You wait for that thing to break out first. If not, well, you miss the entry, the bottom price, right? So again, look at the HT signal channel in Discords. That's where these signals will be posted. Ready? Na 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 na. Blue light special. Well. Come on. Give us the rockets. I do like how well it comes back, though. If that says anything, but we still need to break and close above that resistance. We're back to the 20, guys. We're back to the 20. Give us the breakouts. There we go. 21, 22. Come on, give me 23 going once, going twice, and sold to Michelle. I'm kidding. Anyways, give me 24 going once, going twice, and sold to Dan. Anyways, yeah, that thing really needs to break there. Come on, come on, come on. Sheesh, there's a lot of resistance right there. A lot of it. A lot of resistance. There we go, back to 22, 23, 24. Give me 25. Going once, going twice, and sold to Virus. Come on, give me 26. Just give me a rocket candle. Just a rocket candle. Just a rocket candle. Sheesh. Yeah, make sure you move your stop losses up now. Stalling too much for my liking there. Yeah, make sure you move your stop losses up. I do like that it's holding the 9 EMA though, and it looks like we're getting some higher lows, but that thing needs to go now. Now. Otherwise, it's going to be a retest of the 20 and the kernel. Yeah, too much stalling. You can clearly tell though that it's resistance, right? Clearly tell that it's resistance. La na 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 na. Take a breather. Let me go take a look. Yeah, I just wanted to deal with this one before EBS. EBS. Emergent. Yeah, that's a really nice run. That's a nice breakout as well. A really nice breakout. That thing is like breather. Ha. Freebo, you take a breather. You take a breather. Nah, nah, nah. Yeah, it's done really well. Did you get into this one, Alan? Okay. Sounds good. 102%. Uh, uh, it's more moving than a 60 within reverse after. No. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. No? Okay. Nah. You like using those levels, don't you? You like using those levels, Lion. Did they work like really nicely like that? Like, because that's a weird number, Lion. That's a very weird number. Wow, look at that. We came all the way down. Yeah. See, that's the problem. Like this level was way too low. Way too low. Wonder if we actually go back and retest that 60. Or if this is just a breakout retest, that would be impressive. That would actually be very impressive. That would be very impressive. What is that? That would be very impressive. I'll take a look at AMD. I'll take a look, skis. Okay. La, la, la. Would be very impressive. Yeah, that thing is already back in the range there. Already back in the range. Yeah, that candle needs to bounce like immediately. Otherwise, that becomes a failed retest. A failed retest. Let's see. Because of the double top? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'll look at AMD in a second. Yeah, I just want to see if this thing can find a bottom here. I want to see if we can find a bottom here for ALLR at $1.76. Yeah, the buying pressure just isn't coming in, is it? As soon as it bounces, there's a little bit of selling, Every time it bounces, there's a little bit more selling. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah. Yeah. Watch that be the last retest though, and then the rocket back above. Uh, yeah. Watch that candle actually close above. Watch that candle close above that 76, and then send it. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I just let's see where this candle closes, because then it might still be okay. Hi Willie. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. La, 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 la. Yeah, we need to reclaim the 9 EMA here. Yeah, EBS looks nice. EBS has done really well. It's 120% now, Alan. Oof. Yeah, see how we're coming back to that range again? Yeah, I want to see where we end up closing. EBS is on fire. Like it's just breakout after breakout after breakouts. That's a monster. An absolute monster. Yeah, in this case, we're going to need to reclaim the we're gonna need to reclaim like the 9 EMA there. Z9 EMA is what it's trying to do. Wow, impressive. Hmm. Yeah, let's see where this candle closes at. Mm, Uh, since it was Josh. Yeah. Let's see if we found the bottom though. Let's see if we found the bottom here for this thing. If we can now stay above that bottom range and just get some higher lows, that would be good. That would be good. That thing has like no volume to the upside though. SYRA session highs. Session highs. La 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 la. There we go. Yeah, we're trying. We're trying to push back above the chrono here. See where the 9 is at. The same as TV. La la la. I just joined this. Made me realize I was ready for a better platform. Let's go, Veronica. Let's go. Well done. Can we get back to $2? Can we get back to $2? $2. $2. 190. That's pretty damn slow though. Anyways, the EBS is dipping now. That candle was impressive. 475. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, let's see if we can retest the 9 or the 20 or something. Something. Does anyone else have a very real fear about spiders in their shoes? Uh, I think everybody to some degree does. You might not think about it or say it, but I think everybody. I think if you see a spider in your shoe, you're gonna be like, step back. I think that even if you don't say it, I think that that step back is somewhat of a reaction. It's a fear. It's a how people are like, you know what, I don't have a fear, but then if you see a spider in your shoe, it's like, oh yeah. But if you think about it though, but honestly, maybe what like fear really is like if you're constantly thinking about it and you're worried about it, then that's a concern, right? La, la, la. I cut my grass in and always check them for bugs. Yep, yep. Yeah, if they crawl on your shirts, yeah. Yeah, if you think about it, then maybe it's a real fear. But if you don't, then maybe not. Either way, there goes a Dipski to the same retest zone again. So if that's the bottom now, that would be amazing. If we can find a bottom above a dollar 74, 75, 76, that would be perfect for ALLR. Let's see. EBS still dipping here. Still sitting above the 9 EMA. APVO Allen came back to that demand zone, the green zone, and said, "Thank you, bounce back to a dollar 24, 26." XBP again, still in that same stupid range, right? So if you're gonna play with this thing again, it has to break out. If it doesn't, then meh. Okay, EBS is bouncing off that blue line, the 9. Am I crazy? Check. No, Michelle has a different phobia. What are the blue lines on the Bobe? What do you mean? Like these little blue waves? That's just your Bollinger Band. Um, yeah, yeah. That's just the Bollinger Bands. The waterfall, the beautiful river. 188. Pretty dang slow, isn't it? When it comes to the rebound for this one here, it just needs to give us like higher lows now, and then we might be okay. The higher lows. No, 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 no. Okay. Let's see. It became so row CEOs as much as they're to the yeah. Why do they even report you, Musty? That's anyways. Maybe it's because you're aggressive, but there we go. $1.90, $1.91. Come on, give us $2. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Sheesh. So much weakness. So much weakness. So much weakness. Yeah, we're failing at the 20 EMA there, though. You can clearly see that these candles are failing to close above. So if one of them can close above, then cool. If not, then still a problem. These candles with the circles, like confirmation candles with the 9 crossing the kernel, they're always very important. Very important. There's always chaos happening on those candles. Always chaos. La 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 la. There we go. Come on. Come on. Uh, 24. Cool. Let's go, monies. I got stopped out of my Tesla in one account. I think it's coming back down. Yes, debating on jumping back or waiting. I forgot how my to move my stop loss up. You forgot to move it at work and can't. You forgot to move your stop loss. Victoria, thank you for the super chat. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I don't mind as long as like I don't mind as long as you're not like going all in for the entire position. Like I would scale in so close to 175 and then look for the rest of the position close to 170 is what I would do. Alrighty, you're doing options though, right? So I would look for like close to 175, and then the rest of the position you can add lower with the stop loss, obviously, right? Is what I would do. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think your Discord stuff expired. Maybe that's why you didn't have access to Discord, Victoria. Come on, give us a breakout. Give us a breakout. Come on, 191. Just go. This thing's way too slow for my liking here. Way too slow. Even though it looks a bit more constructive now, and I like what it's doing, still very slow though. Kazoo. Kazoo. I want to see that candle give me a higher high actually. A higher high. A higher high. 192. There we go. 193. Come on now. Come on now. Give us more. Give us more. Give us more. Give us more. Very slow. I wonder if this is gonna. No, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I need to delete. Here we go. I like the other ones. I like the other ones. Ooh, actually, 1 second, guys. I'm just cleaning up a messy list here. And trades. Some options, shares. I'm fixing that today. Thank you. Yeah. No, you're welcome, Victoria. Yeah. So, yeah. Soon. Yeah. No, I would scale it into those. I would scale it into those. Alrighty. So again, did anybody right? So again, this is for the legend members only. So if you're a legend, you're gonna start getting more of these ones, right? So if you took this signal, you're green. A little bit of a break below, but you're still green, right? So ALLR, right? So from the bottoms, right? So this is in the HT signal channel in Discord. So that's gonna be for legends and goats. Alrighty, legends and goat members. You get entries, stop loss, blah 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 blah. And the rest. If you're not a legend, you're gonna miss out on stuff like that. Let's go, Victoria. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcomes. Yeah, I will. I'll send you an invite. So yeah, just click on this link, and it's gonna bring you to Discord. And then you can just reconnect your stuff. So yeah, click this link at the bottom of the chat. Yeah. You just have to go back to the same link, Victoria. Go back to the same link, the same like place you signed up for, and just change the level, and it's gonna upgrade you. Yep. So yeah, just go back to the same area, and then just change the membership. EBS is still dipping, yes. So that was a really good run, there, wasn't it? Really good run. Really good run. Dang, we still can't get back to $2, can we? Nope. It looks like the high for now is 194. So that's looking a little bit sus now. Yep, there goes the retest of the kernel. If we can stay above the kernel, then cool. But if not, then dead. Then dead. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Again, hopefully this is another higher low. But we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, look at that. Look at XBP is coming back to life. That thing is bouncing again, right? So these are the last two signals, right? ALLR and XBP. These two things are still holding up well. So yeah, let's see if we can actually break about 220, 225 this time and stay above it. Um, yeah, Musty, this is your people. XBP is your people. XBP Europe holdings. So go find the CEO and send him a message. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Monies. Breaking news. Hmm, don't like that. Uh, yes. Doesn't have low volume. Uh, Not necessarily. No. The volume today is 65 million. It might be low volume now in these candles. Now it might be. So maybe that's what you're asking for, but no, that's so the average volume is 1 million, right? 64 million. So volume also comes in the form of like selling, right? This could have been a lot of selling volume, and a lot of buying pressure in pre-market, and but yeah, that thing needs a higher low. The higher low EBS is bouncing again, straight to the supply zone. Straight, oof, 440 just like that. Is that a scam? Nope, it's not. Oh my goodness, 450. Sheesh, 127%. Yeah, Veronica. Yeah, you can change that. You can change that to volume in the last hour, and the last, and then yes, it makes a difference. Yeah, then it makes a difference. Per minute, okay, yeah, that makes a huge difference. Yeah, average volume. Kimbella, average volume is what I look for. And then if you need to know anything else, like on the 1 minute, if you need to know anything else, you're just looking at the indicator on the top right hand corner. So I don't even bother looking because that indicator is right there. So the indicator on the top left will tell you the relative volume, right? So right there at the very top. Um, so that compares that compares the volume a lot in real time. So ALLR though seems like it's getting a bit of an uptrend there forming now, which is interesting. Yeah, yes, which is interesting. So, which is kind of what you want to see. If it creates a higher low and then breaks that previous high, that would be good. For now, we see EBS. Mm, yep, there it goes. 456. 450. It's a nice little run. A nice little run. No. Oh yeah, let me take a look. Scheduled lunch. Perfect. Come on, something give us a squeeze. A squeeze. Okay, yeah, it's gonna have to make a decision here at 455 because that level looks scary, and there it goes dropping already. It's decision time. Beware of what type of squeeze. That's true, Peter. 70 minutes. Virus. What's happening in 70 minutes? There goes the dip ski, right? So 455 resistance then. Especially if the Bollinger Band is starting to turn down too, then that's a bit of a problem. So it's going to need to break that resistance. Dennis, at the bottom, sold at the top. Thank you, Spy, for playing nice. Let's go, Gary. Congrats. Congratulations. Congratulations. Really? Huh, interesting. Wild. Hmm. La 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 la. Anyways. La 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 la. Let me see. Are we still in the 90? Yep. La la la. Okay. Choo, choo, choo. Perfect. Thank you. Come on, give me a new high already here. Come on, ALLR. As I was reading an article on ALLR this morning, and they're doing some pretty fishy stuff. So, anyways, send it. Send it, send it, send it, send it, send it. No, virus, that was a scam. That was a scam. That doesn't count. I'll give you one above 510 today. Yes, deal? Deal. Come on, give me a breakout already here. What a slacker. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at XBP here. That thing just broke out. Look at XBP, guys. Oof. That thing is broken out. XBP is broken out. Oh my goodness. XBP is broken out. Uh, is gone skis. Is gone skis. Sheesh. Gone skis. That's if it actually closes above though. So now you need to make sure that thing closes above $2.35. 235. Yeah, it's not closing above yet. So not closing above yet. Let's go, Yogi. Come on, teamwork. High five. Let's go. With that shrimp, oh my goodness, pizza. I would love that right now. I would like that very much. Very, very much. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? So XBP was posted in Discord, right? So you could have played that multiple times, I think. I haven't been paying attention, but you could have played that multiple times, right? That was your entry, blah, blah, blah. You can manage it however you see fit. Um, so, and we've been to 220 twice now. So if you're not a legend member yet, missing. That way, that's what you're having for lunch, pizza? That you're having that for lunch? Is Sheesh. Sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Mm. Did I mess that up? Oh yeah, I did. I did. I did. I did. Oh, to Josh's comments. Oh, I see. Yup. Victoria, did you take your Tesla position yet, or you're still waiting? Hopefully you did. It's bouncing already. Anyways, ALLR is still looking okay here. Still looking okay. Right. So there goes 93. If you're holding ALLR or XBP, type in yes in the chat. Give me a yes. Yes. Give me a yes. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Yeah, we do need a breakout there though. $1.94 is a problem. Yeah, that thing has issues. So as much as we're getting higher lows, beautiful, it's going to need to break out. It's going to need to break out. $1.94. So again, we almost caught the exact bottom on this thing, right? Almost the exact bottom, right? And now we're getting some higher lows, but it doesn't have the momentum to break out, which is annoying. So it is going to need to break out. EBS has a double top at a 455 ish, so it's going to need to clear that level. Pablo, what happened? What did you do? What did you do? ALR just had a nice a flush, a big flush right at resistance, straight to the abyss. Sheesh. Hang on. Okay, I'll go take a look. Okay, take a look, ski. Oh, there's a filing. The reason why I just did that is because the filing just came out for ALLR. I'm not sure what it means, but I'm sure people reacted to that. Yes. So
Please.
oh, that looks beautiful, Pablo. Where is that, Pablo? Like, are you staying at a resort, or where are you staying?
Oh, please.
I like how Pablo goes with these videos. He's like, "Oh, please, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful." I need it back down. Yeah, no, with Tesla will most likely go back down, but yeah, something fishy is going on with ALLR. Like it's going from 180 to 188, 180 to one. Like something fishy is going on there. Yeah, make sure you have a plan for your position, please. Right, XPP looks good still. Like it's trying to hold that 220 now, right? $2.20. And yeah, that looks amazing. 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 There goes 230 XBP. XBP. Yeah, DCA. Yeah. $2.34. Come on, break, 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 break. Sounds good, Josh. Catch you later. See you later. We haven't closed a candle above $2.35. So there was 220 and now there's 235 for resistance. $2.35. $2 and ooh, 245. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 248, guys. 250. Oof. Oof. 250. Let's go. 251. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Send it, send it, send it, send it. I'm sure 250 is going to be an issue. XBP 180. Yeah. Let's see if Tesla can find a way to get back above $2.50. And what that is, and thrust. Again, if you're not a legend member, you're missing out. Okay, so XBP, that was your entry. That was your entry. Right, so legends and goats, legends and goats. So your membership paid for. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. And if you want to join us in Discord or to upgrade, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Let's go, Pablo. Come on, if Pablo can smash a like while at the beach, no one should have an excuse. Well, thank you very much, Pablo. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, no, now I want to go on vacation, guys. I'm going on vacation. Okay? I'm going back to look at Pablo's pictures, videos. I'm going on vacation.
Please.
Look at the trees. Look at the water. Look at the sky. You want to know what the temperature is here in Canada now? We don't have palm trees. We have snow. My goodness. Sheesh. Unbelievable. What's my weather? Let me change the. Well, I mean, this isn't too bad though. This isn't too bad, you know. At least like we're not negatives anymore. Let's go to a tropical island. It's gonna happen, Peter. It's gonna happen. Look at that. 40, 42, 42. 42 degrees. What's Pablo's temperature? It's not 42. Anyways, that are exclusive for their guests. Okay, that's very cool. Very, very cool. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, this thing is volatile though. 16 degrees in sunny Troy. Who asked you? Who asked for your temperature? You need to move. You need to move. Yeah. Oh, yep, 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 yep. Yup. Yup. 16 degrees. Hmm. La 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 la. Yeah. Yeah, no, that filing wasn't good for ALLR. So that thing's done skis. Unless it's finding a way to double bottom and bounce. Unless it double bottoms and bounces. Yeah. No, Troy actually lives in a warmer part of Canada, so Troy lives in one of the warmer parts, which is nice. Because I lived there too, and then I didn't like it because it was too noisy. You know, people. Yeah, like I don't like big cities. That's a big city. That's a really big city. Too noisy. Too much chaos. I don't want chaos. You know, I only want chaos in the market. That's about it. Yeah. Oh, here we go. 250 again. 250. Come on, give us the break. Give us the break. 51. Here we go. New highs of the day, guys. Ooh. Come on. Send it. We need to hold 250 there, and then we can maybe push again. Need to hold 250. Where do you live? I live in Canada. Do I need to sell? It dropped a lot. I bought it at. You bought Mullen. You bought Mullen at $7.30, and then you're asking me if you need to sell it, the king. Um, how do I roast you nicely? Um, I'm thinking of some nice things to say, but nothing is coming to mind. Let me be nice though. Let me be nice. Let me be nice. Um, sheesh. 750 for Mullen was never a buy. I just look at the double top. It's loading. Just look at this double top. Look, just look. Okay, just look. Just look. Just look. Just look. Just look. Just look. I need to take the indicator off and so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. But I'm gonna put a line at the pivot resistance 730. Right there, resistance, resistance, resistance. That's your entry. Your entry is right at resistance, right? I mean, like resistance, perfection. You're like, you know what? You know what? This looks like a really good resistance. This is attractive. I would love this. This looks like a beautiful level. If I bought this level, oof, my goodness, I could look at my accounts in 10 years. Mullen has been delisted. My average price is going to be 20 million. Sheesh. Anyways, I'm kidding. But what should you do now? I don't know. Um, I really don't know. But next time, what you should do now is actually become a member. Come join us in Discords. Come become a member. Come join us. Alrighty. Um, yeah. Come join us in Discords. But again, hopefully that's a lesson for you though. Next time you get a position, if you're gonna buy something and then you're gonna go ask someone on YouTube what you should do with your position, then you have a problem. Alrighty, so yeah, when you take these positions, yes, we're here to help, but also make sure you have a plan. Like I'm gonna buy Mullen at $7.30. You know what? If Mullen goes below $6.90, 6.50, I'm gonna cut it. So you're not sitting at $4.70. You're like, hey, what do I do now? Jesus, Jesus. You're not sounding like you know what I mean. So please use stop losses, please, pretty please. It looks like ALLR is actually bouncing off a double bottom, which is interesting, right? When you buy a position, you're better off asking before, like, hey, I'm gonna buy a position here. Like, can I get a little bit of help? Don't be down 50% and then ask me like, okay, what do I do? Because then I'm just gonna roast you. Unless you're a legend or a goat. Unless you're a goat, and then we'll talk about it. And then but anyways, I'm kidding. I'll be nice. I'll be nice, okay? Nice. Be nice. I'll be nice. Do 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 do. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, that scan is broken. Okay. Perfect. Neighbors, you and Troy. Oh wow, really? Cool. There goes the Canadians. The Canadians in the chats. The Canadians. Yeah. Here we go. 56. Come on, send it. Give me new highs here. New highs, new highs, new highs. What does the bottom part look like? La 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 la. Okay. Okay. Green and green and red. Okay. Yeah, they had some bad news. They had some bad news at Kimbella. Yeah, they had some bad news. That's why. No, no, no. Now it's in Discord. It's in Discord. They had a silly filing. A silly filing. La, la, la. At the pivot, crime. But Joe straight to jail. Straight to jail. Uh, and went on vacation. Virus. It's holding up really well, isn't it? Yeah. Holding up really well. Do, 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 do. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like we're stalling here at 255. $2.55. Mm, yeah, they had bad news. And there goes your dipskis, guys. Short? Okay. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Mm, interesting. Okay. Interesting. Monies, Joe. Monies. Na, 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 na. Scam. Virus? Scam. Here you go. I don't know if that's. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. Musty, that was a really good call. That was a really good call out. A really good call out. It does seem to be getting a little bit more volume though now, doesn't it? Now that it looks like it's broken out. Yeah. Slow and steady. That's actually really nice. Yeah, not the biggest runner, but it's been running from 6-7 to so this one's been a nice little 90. We're 90%. Well, not today. Not today, Musty. It's up 3% today. Uh, what percentage of your money do you think you've spent on cookies? 20, 50 to 99? At least 50, Troy. At least 50. Anything below that is yeah, at least 50. At least 50. You know? What can you do? What can you do? You only live once, you know? You know how to say you only live once? Yeah. So you blink and yeah. Yes, please, Dan. Yes. Yes, please. You need to. Yep. One short. Okay. 180 for Tesla. Double top, probably. You only die once, you live every day. That's true. That is actually, that's maybe that's, yeah, we need to change this. Yeah. You die once, you live every day. That's a really good way to look at it, Virus. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, that was amazing, Victoria. That was amazing. Amazing, amazing. See, I had no idea we had like cheesecake like factories in the city. That was amazing. No idea. No idea. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. What am I eating today? Or nothing? I had a bowl of yogurt, avocado, and some bananas. Healthy stuff. Healthy, healthy. Because you only die once. So I need to. Sometimes you need to have like a healthy meal. Joe, that's true. I had no idea. I just exist. Well, yeah, existing is good too, though. Existing is good. There are people in the village that cannot exist because other people want to enter them. Dang virus. That did not make sense. Come on, Peter. Yes, it made perfect sense. Only cheesecake. Yeah, cheesecakes are amazing. 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 There's nothing better. The- Sit for the haters. Yeah. You guys are wanting ES to crash more. Come on, guys. Can we get to like the highs of the day? Can we pump it? Come on, pump it, pump it, pump it. Enough dippings. I've seen people like fry watermelons and I'm like, what are you doing? I've never had it, and I hear that it's amazing. How the hell do you fry a watermelon though? Like that's like the anyways. Why would you fry a watermelon? Like that's the one time well, at least for me, one of the times that I'm actually trying to be healthy. So why would I go deep fry the watermelon? Why? If I swing low, no, Joe. Highs of the day. No, still though, pizza. That seems like a lot of effort. Do I eat poutine? No, I don't like poutine. I tried it once. Yeah, I like watermelon a lot, but I don't know if I've never tried a deep fried watermelon. So you want to try it? Okay. Yeah, I think when I tried it though, that's when I first moved to Canada, so my taste buds weren't as accustomed to like having fries and gravy and cheese. Like that's a lot of like foreign flavors that so I just never tried it. I just gave up on it. I have watermelon in my DNA. Yep, yep, yep. No, no, poutine, poutine. Like no poutine. Must eat from the village who leaves. That's what I'm saying, Peter. That's what I'm saying. Like I used to hate cheese, but now I like cheese. There are a lot of things that I used to hate. It's feeling pumpy. Send it. Send it. Send it. The S&P is gonna be scammy though. It was a huge mountain size portion. James, yeah. It's a sin. Yeah. When you go to like these fairs, these carnivals, they have like weird food, deep fried stuff. Come on, Joe. Come on. Icy cold with a little salt. I can get the salt. I can get like the the savory side and the blend of flavors the sweetness and like the so like yeah, I get that. But yeah, humans always like to ruin stuff though. An email. Yeah, the sweetness. Yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. Yeah. I've never tried it. Salt on a watermelon. I'm gonna need to try that. Interesting. Yeah. If you order fries and they offer you chili cheese, you have to take it, Andre. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Try fried ice cream. Oh my goodness, no, absolutely not, Vision. No, 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 no. How the hell do you fry ice cream? Like, how hot does the thing have to be for you to put it in the thing and for it to fry? Who tried it? Like, who did that? Like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna fry ice cream. Oh my days. How does that work? Oh my goodness. I bet you the oil is like, you know, melt your skin off hot. It's a Japanese dessert. Wow. They do? Huh. That's interesting. That's very interesting. You know what? Let's ask Google. Let's ask Google. Uh they actually have a machine? Wait, that makes no sense. I want to see pictures. But that and then there's like a thing on top? Almost like the interesting. See, that doesn't like when you see it though, it doesn't look horrible. Yeah, you fry a shell of the ice cream, yeah. Cinnamon and yeah, there you go. Sugar cereal, yeah, okay. That makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, the man that had dessert for dinner, yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Really hot oil, like a little coating, and then you fry it really quickly, and then it's almost like the sweet and the crunchy. That makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Josh, Peter, and I went out for dinner, and these guys were having, I don't know. Josh was having some amazing seafood. I don't know whatever he was having. Peter was having some steak, whatever he was having. All I wanted was some, yeah. Anyways, it was nice. It was nice. SGBX is bouncing off the 200. Beautiful. Z200's $2.80. Beautiful bounce. Other than that, everything still looks a little bit sus. EBS is unless EBS can find a way to stay above $4. Stay above $4. You like it with Pepe Dennis? No, apparently it's Asian. Must you? Yeah. You take the profits, Justin? Yeah. Yeah. EBS. Never say eats ice cream. Yeah, no. Summer's coming. It's ice cream time. Ice cream and cookies. What can I say? What can I say? La 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 la. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. What else? Interesting. I'm gonna need to try the salted the salted. Anyways, Doo-doo-doo. 0.03, Josh. Okay. I think Virus picked up some Mara calls too. Hopefully a rally over the weekend and then boom skis next week. Boom skis all over the place. Yeah, so Apple reports tonight. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Mara. Mara on the wall. You're waiting for XRP? Oh, XBP. I was like, I don't know why it was. Yeah, XBP. Yep. You're waiting for 240. Breakout 260. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yes. Yeah, this one's gonna be on the watch list all day. All day it's gonna be on the watch list. So yeah, 260 next resistance and then send it. Yep. Z monies. There are a few penny stocks hitting highs of today, but nothing that I really like for now. Okay. Yeah. Could I check resistance for Nui? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that, Josh. Yeah, I was looking at. I think someone posted it in the stock channel this morning. Okay, let me take a look. Let's take a look at Nui. You're looking for resistance. Are you in it? Let me look at the daily really quickly. There, I see something at 17 cents. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna see anything on the daily here. So yeah, it's 17 cents. Your next resistance is 17 cents, which is yeah, almost yeah, exactly the highs of the day. Yeah, so 17 cents. Yep. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Spice falling like a tomato. Fat red candle for the S&P. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, Spy's ready to go to the abyss, isn't it? Sheesh, Spy looks nasty. Nasty. Nasty Spy. It's a little uptrend retest there though, so let's see. Nasty. Anyways. Yeah, so Nui, yeah, watch for 17 cents. If you can break through that double top and then Miss Lola, you might be ready for a bit more, a push to 20 cents. Uh, Jack X is at 27 cents now. Dang, where's Steve? Oh my goodness, Steve. Sheesh. From 10 cents to 27 cents, slow and steady. Wow. Yeah. Are you gonna end up holding these puts longer, Justin? I feel like you are. 27 cents. You out? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. BuzzFeed with some news announces 1 for 4 reverse splits. Oof, nasty. Splits all over the place. You're welcome. With some Ukrainians that don't speak much English and trying to be friendly, and I asked if they've If I'm waiting, oh wow, oh wow, yeah. Oh my goodness, buddy. Oh wow. Yep. 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 That's how you end up fighting somebody without with yeah. Yep. Sheesh. Scary. Choo choo choo. And yep. Crazy. Yep. La 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 la. Mm, there you go. Come on. Send it, send it, send it. Do, do, do. Let's go, Joe. Monies, monies, monies. You're finishing the markets. The market is going to beg you to come back. Yeah. Some people like it, though. Some people really like it, Josh. Some people really like it. Uh, they're not 27 cents. Yeah. Yeah, you're liking this? I know you are, Steve. Yup. Yeah, they're all equally as criminal, but do, do, spy. Na, na, na. Miss, what you said about the reverse split? What stock? A BuzzFeed, so BZFD split. I'm not sure when because I haven't clicked on the link, but it's in Discord. Yeah. Yup. 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 La 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 la. That's interesting. Mm. Futures. To announce interim data from na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hmm. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back, Waka. Welcome back. Oh yeah, upgraded. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Waka. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. A legend. A legend in the making. You are a what? A legend. A legend. Okay, I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna switch the time frame there actually. A legend. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. That was a nice bounce actually, wasn't it? Uh, into the close. Let's see how we close in that candle. Uh, 71.4 was la, 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 la. What stock? What stock is that, Musty? What stock is that? What is your rule of thumb for buying stocks that reverse split before, after, after? Yeah. The only way you play with it before is if it's pumping and you play with it really quickly and run away. You don't go holding that thing though, because it's very dangerous. Josh, yes. Uh, I see you have my baby on screen. It's in that. Yeah, it's still holding. Let's go, monies. Congratulations. Yes, 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 yes. Congrats. Well done. Yeah, exactly, Josh. Never. Yeah, AMC. Yep, 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 yep. You don't want to be holding these names into splits, please. That's how you end up with an average of $100, and then all of a sudden, the stock splits and then crashes, and then now you're never getting back to your entry price. Now you're never getting back to your entry price. Uh, entry. That looks interesting. Asking because it's pumping, yeah. See, that's what I mean, though, right? So splits will usually pump if the post float is going to be really low. People try and benefit from from the hype. But honestly, you're better off waiting for it. So again, play. You can play the momentum really quickly, but don't hold it. Don't hold it very long, because you're going to end up crying. Need monies. La, 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 la. Comes with a cash payout from a yeah. There you go. Wait, 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 wait. Nothing more than an ATM. Yup. Yup. More. Yeah, exactly. Yup, yup, yup. On the freeway, Gary, was it not tight? Oh, come on. Make sure it's strapped on, Gary. Tight, please, please, and thank you. Please and thank you. Be safe. We don't want you. Uh, okay. Dang it, that thing's already pushing on in a way that I don't like. Hmm. Yeah. 80 miles an hour. My goodness. Where are you flying to on a bike, Gary? It's windy? Oh, the wind. Okay. Straight up, yeah. As well. Okay, okay, the wind. 27 cents. 27. Yes, please, Josh. Yes, please. Can you imagine the wind on your face? Oof, that sounds amazing. The wind, and like you forget about everything else. I bet you that feels amazing. Rubbish, rubbish, Dan. La, la, la. Rubbish. Yeah, okay. 3 more minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off so I can go do some one-on-ones. 3 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions. Again, don't forget to smash a like, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. If you're not a legend, you might want to upgrade to legend, right? So become a legend, a legend, a legend. Alrighty. Rubbish virus. If we're not sitting at 507 in 17 minutes, that's rubbish. Rubbish. In futures, no, I have to go do some one-on-ones, and then futures later. Yeah, he wants to, but he has got. Yeah, I have to go do some. And I hate doing futures when I'm doing one-on-ones, unless it depends who it is. Sometimes, like we trade futures depending on who the one-on-one is with. So depends. Ajay, I'll take a look. I would take a look ski. ENVX. What's your position, Jay? ENVX. I don't do Discord, but I enjoy this channel. Let's go, Steve. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I wish you would join Discord, Steve, because you'd be an amazing addition to the community. Why don't you do Discord, Steve? Why? You just don't like the like? What about it? Don't you like? Just curious. Anyways, Jay, what's your position? Let me know. It looks like we're approaching some solid resistance here for ENVX. Without really looking too deep, you can kind of tell that like this level initially was yeah, this level has been really important. Yep, look at this level. I can go so far back, Jay. Right? This is 2020, whatever year this is. Right? That's that level. Right? Fast forward a few months, it's still the same area. Right? We another few months, same area, right? And then resistance right there, and then we're approaching that level. So this level close to, so just above $9. Let's call it 9 to 920. Okay, $9 to 920. Yeah, a couple of scalps. Okay, sounds good. So if you're just scalping this, and then just be aware that when the closer we get to that level, there's resistance. But in terms of like your scalps on a smaller time frame, either way, you're approaching like pre-market resistance. So just be cautious here now, right? Um, just be careful around that double top there. If you can break above this level, maybe you're going to 920, right? So 880 and then 920 there potentially. Already, but yeah, it looks like it's had some really good scalps though. Yeah, Steve was okay. Okay. Yeah. Into the endo once in the afternoon, but in the okay, no, that's a very good, that's a very valid reason, Steve. It's a very valid reason. You kind of need to you need a break from like all from all the madness. So, thank you very much. Nui's at the highs of the day now. Ooh, Nui finally broke 17 cents, guys. Nice. Someone was asking for 17 cents, right? It looks like we finally broke 17 cents and it closed above and then it just went boom skis. That's actually a good breakout. These are the type of breakouts I like. It doesn't seem like it because the candles are kind of wild, but you can see that resistance right there, and then you can see the resistance, the double top, and then the break. I like how that candle closed right above it. It wasn't like a crazy, crazy massive candle. It's just a close above 17, and then boom skis, right? So that was a really good breakout. Let's see if we can stay above. Well, maybe it's going to come back for the retest, but yeah, let's see. Na, 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 na. Yeah, Miss Lola, that was you asking. Yep, 17 cents. So yeah, it's done well. Um, also, great members. Let's go. Thank you very much, Steve. We do have amazing members. I'm telling you. The fact that we can go from like stocks to talking about Vegas to talking about ice cream to talking about virus in the woods, to Josh and the baby, to people making gains, to education. I think some really amazing people, right? So I appreciate you guys very much, very 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 much, and thank you all very much for your support. I really appreciate it more than you know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think we have a group of amazing people, amazing people. Uh, who has sent emails and stuff? Exactly. 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 There goes 1870. Uh, watermelon? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. They go look at that 1950 for Nui. Oof, look at that. Skip that and join. Exactly, virus. Do both. Must be the enforcer. Yep, do both. Right? Get Nando's and come join us in Discord. Is home. Sounds good, Joe. See you later. See you later. iBio does look interesting. The volume is super low, Justin, but it looks interesting. Anyway, so once we clear that 17, you're looking for 20 cents, right? Cantaloupe. I like cantaloupes. I had a cantaloupe the other day. Yep. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dan. I know. I know you're roasting. Thank you. Love you too. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yes. Virus is the perfect salesman. Let's go. Yeah, so if you do become a member, make sure you sign up for the right level, one of the three levels that don't say sold out, and then send me an email. Email is at the top there, hotradesx@gmail. Yup. One of these days I'm gonna cry because someone's because of the roasting. Not. I'm just gonna roast somebody else. But better than being read. Exactly, Gary. Exactly. La la. I see. That's why I have to be nice, Josh. Because no, it's not a challenge, Troy. It's not a challenge. See you later. See you later, Joe. Good job today. Ooh, look at that. 1990 for Nui. 1990. Yeah, XBP came back all the way down. So a lot of weakness, right? You can kind of see how it's like congested there. It's really not a breakout. It's really so yeah, stay away for now. Unless we come back to like $1.95 maybe, the 200 retest. But the play was earlier. We'll see what happens there. So we tapped 20 cents for Nui there. EBS broke. Yeah, it broke down. Yeah, it just could not break out, right? So opposite way. The longer you sit at resistance, the more likely it is that it's gonna get slapped. Oh, there goes 20 cents. Ooh, 52%. Sheesh. Let's go. They're so cute. Let's go, let's go. Wow, Nui is sending it, guys. That's 17. This is why we love breakouts, guys. right? This is why we love breakouts. Um, so the breakouts bring momentum. Clearly, again, like you saw that resistance at 17, right? Not a whole lot of price action, and then as soon as we break $17, 17 cents, the biggest green candles come through. So sometimes, honestly, sit on your hands and wait. Right? There's no need for you to like, well, I think it's gonna break out. Just wait. Sit back and wait. Sit back and wait. You know? Yes, you know. Baby, go to do 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 do. Anyways, alrighty. Much love all. Be safe. Ooh, 21 cents. Damn. Sheesh. 21. Can you do some for me? Uh, nice. Nui. Nui Ui. Take care, Will. Yeah. Take care, take care. Not sure where the next resistance is, but I do have to hop off. So just got back now, and you are leaving. It figures. No, I have to go do some one-on-ones in 8 minutes. Or otherwise, I would stay. But yep. Alrighty, y'all. Again, be safe. Don't forget to smash a like before you leave. There's a whole bunch of you that haven't smashed a like yet, and if you haven't smashed a like, virus is gonna find you. Okay, he will find you and change your password to your account. Um, Either way, much love, Jay. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. Let's go. Let's go, Josh. Come on. Time for Discord. Time for Discord gifts. Catch you guys in Discord. Steve, thank you very much. Later, Troy, see you in Discord. Virus, Josh, see you in Discord. Will, I dropped you an email. Wait. Let me uh, an email for Discord, like a link to join Discord. Will. Oh, instead of doing that, I'm just gonna send you. I'll send you a link now. Uh, Instead of doing that, I'll just send you a link right now. So this is the invite link at the bottom. Will. Yeah, so yeah, that yellow link at the bottom. Yeah, okay, there you go. Are you having horrible weather, Kevin? Yes, have a good one as well. Musty, see you later. Take it easy, Kevin. Be safe, please. And if I missed you, Gary, be safe on the damn bike. Be safe on the bike. Uh, See you later, Miss Lola. Ready? Okay, leave. I'm leaving. Okay, fine. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.